Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make barbecue sweet and sour chicken on the stovetop. Now this one is quite delicious, so let's go. For this you're going to need some leg quarters. Okay, I know some people like to use the boneless chicken. You can use that if that's what you like. Now I went ahead and cleaned mine and I've chopped it up into smaller bite-sized pieces. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the ingredients that you're going to need for this recipe. I'm using some carrots and some bell peppers and some onions, and I'm also going to be using some pineapple with a little bit of pineapple juice, some vinegar, some ketchup, and a little bit of barbecue sauce that I'll show you later how to mix. Okay, now you're also going to need some thyme chopped up fine, some of the onions chopped up fine, some garlic chopped up small, and some scallion. All right, now that's for the first part of this recipe. Now you want to go ahead and season your chicken. Today I'm using some all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika, you know, the works. Don't be afraid to season your chicken. Trust me, it'll have better flavor than just using salt and pepper. You know what I'm saying? All right, so you just want to go ahead and season that very well, and you can marinate this overnight for best results. But you know, I can't wait. That's my problem. Now, you want to add your seasonings. You want to add your onions that I showed you before and your scallion. You want to give this a good and thorough mix in. Make sure you get all your seasonings into your meat. Now in a pot or a pan or a skillet or whatever you fry your stuff in, I like to use my trusty old Dutch pot. Trust me, I think I'll die without my Dutch pot. Yeah. You want to add about a quarter cup of oil. You're going to fry your chicken pieces for about 10 to 15 minutes on each side. Why? Because I'm trying to get it to the point of where it's almost cooked. You know what I'm saying? So you want to fry it 10-15 minutes tops. Okay, and they should look nice and brown like this, but don't go eating it because it's still not all the way cooked. Okay, greedy people just left the chicken alone. All right, you know who I'm talking about. All right guys, now in that same oil you're gonna add some water, about 1 to 2 cups of water. If you have chicken stock, you can use that as well. It'll give it even better flavor. And you're gonna add the seasonings that I forgot to tell you to take off the chicken before you start to fry it. I'm so sorry people, you know. Then you want to add half of your sauce. I will leave the ingredients for the sauce below so you guys can follow. You want to bring that up to a boil for about 5 minutes and add your chicken pieces, and then the other half of that beautiful sweet and sour sauce. Then you want to add your pineapples and all the bell peppers and carrots and onions that I showed you in the beginning of this recipe. Wanna still today? Wanna understand, right? All right, me just have to check and make sure Sona today. All right, so you want to cook this for about 20 minutes. Remember, the chicken is already cooked, so you don't want to cook it to death. All right, just 20 minutes. And what you're gonna notice, honey, is it's gonna start to reduce and thicken all by itself. All right, that's because of that nice sauce that we add. Now for the remaining part, you want to add all the bell peppers and onions and carrots, the other half of it, that is, because you know you want your sweet and sour barbecue chicken to look nice, you know, so you're just gonna add it like garnish. You see how that look beautiful? That's what's gonna happen. All right, now you're gonna put this on a plate and serve it to your family or your man or whoever you're gonna share this with. They're gonna love it, trust me. Serve this with some white rice. It's really delicious, and I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Leave your comments below and tell me how you like it. And I just want to say thank you for chilling with me and subscribing to my channel and bearing with me. I know I don't post recipes a lot, but thank you. Talk to you next time.